Colors of Gray, Week 3. Last week we talked about mixing clean colors and how we can get grayed down colors. This week we want to mix colors of gray. You always need to have rest stops or areas where the viewer can stop and rest their eyes in the painting. The most unique thing about colors of gray is that it makes the pure pigment look brighter, especially when you use the colors of gray that are its complement. Mix a large puddle. Using the base gray, add a brush load of ultramarine blue, and this will push it towards blue-gray. If you add a little more blue to it, French ultramarine blue, you will get a blue-gray. Now I take the base gray and I add a little more alizarin crimson and I get a violet gray. If I want to push this gray more towards red, I just add a little more alizarin crimson and I'll get a rose gray. Now I want to make a tan, so I can take the rose gray, add its complement, which would be gamboge, and I will get a tan color, or a tan gray. If I want to push it towards yellow, I would just add more gamboge for my yellow gray. Now, if I want to make it more green, I just add more ultramarine blue and I'll get a gray-green color. Challenge yourself and figure out the complements. Look at the complement wheel or your pocket color wheel. Now let's add the complements. Blue-gray, first word being blue, would be orange would be its complement. Violet or purple, and we think of yellow, which I added gamboge. Then you've got a rose gray, which is red family. You add green. Now the tan is another one that's kind of like, what is this complement? Well, it's in the orange family, so we would add ultramarine blue. Now you go back to yellow gray and you add violet. The green gray is in the red or green family and its complement would be red. The next video is colors of green.